Finnish Spitzes are believed to have originated from the Spitz dogs brought from central Russia by migrants who moved to present-day Finland about 3,000 years ago. In 1979, Finnish Spitzes were named the National Dog of Finland. Originally bred to hunt game, they are also good companions for other hunting trips, such as hunting elk. This medium-size breed makes a good family dog and is very friendly and playful. Finnish Spitzes can make an excellent family pet. They are friendly and gentle with children. Finnish Spitzes are known for barking a lot. When hunting, they bark to point out prey, but the barking transfer over to their day-to-day behavior around the house as well. Finnish Spitzes love playing with the members of their family. Finnish Spitzes can be very strong-willed, which can make them more of a challenge to train than other breeds. Overall, the Finnish Spitz is a healthy breed. This breed is known for shedding pretty heavily in the spring and fall and will need extra brushing sessions. The Finnish Spitz is a medium-sized dog breed. Males are between 17.5 and 20 inches tall and weigh between 25 and 33 pounds. Females are between 15.5 and 18 inches tall and weigh between 20 and 28 pounds. 3-month-old puppies generally weigh between 7 and 16 pounds. Puppies that are 6 months old weigh between 12 and 29 pounds. A Finnish Spitz will be finished growing when they are between 14 and 16 months old. There are a few health concerns to be on the lookout for when you bring home a Finnish Spitz. Some of these are genetic conditions, which is why it is very important to work with a reputable breeder if you plan to purchase a Finnish Spitz. Always request health information about the puppy's parents. These dogs may suffer from bleeding disorders. 2 diseases they are more prone to than other dog breeds include hemolytic anemia and thrombocytopenia. With these diseases, the dog's immune system starts attacking the red blood cells or plates in the body. This can cause the dog to become lethargic and anemic. They will need immediate veterinary care to diagnose and treat the disorder. Treatment may involve steroids or a blood transfusion. Eye conditions are another hereditary condition that some of these dogs may have. One condition they may suffer from is cataracts. Cataracts can lead to blindness and may require surgery. Glaucoma is another possible eye disease a Finnish Spitz may suffer from. Without proper treatment, glaucoma can lead to blindness. If you suspect your dog has glaucoma, call your vet right away. Symptoms of glaucoma include watery eyes, squinting, or redness in the whites of the eyes. These dogs can also develop hip or elbow dysplasia. These genetic conditions make it so a dog's joints don't develop properly. This can lead to lameness in the legs, difficulties with walking, or trouble getting up. Sometimes surgery may be necessary to treat hip or elbow dysplasia. The Finnish Spitz is a very active breed that requires lots of physical activity each day. They can be very good family dogs because of their personality traits. They are very playful but aren't overly assertive or aggressive with children like some other breeds. Another positive personality trait of this breed is their overall friendliness, especially towards the people they know and trust. These dogs are also very protective of their families. Males may exhibit more assertive or domineering behaviors than females if they feel threatened by another dog or person. When planning a diet for your dog, look for high-quality foods. Look for options that include vegetables, fruits, and proteins to meet this breed's nutritional needs. Finnish Spitzes can be more prone to obesity than some other breeds, so it is important to make sure you don't overfeed them. Most will need to eat between 1.75 and 2.5 cups of food each day. Their food should be divided into 2 meals. Check with your veterinarian if you are not sure how much food your dog should get, as the amount can vary based on activity level, age, weight, health concerns, and other factors. Since puppies have a smaller stomach, they should be fed more often than adults. Very young puppies may need to eat 4 times a day, while slightly older puppies should be fine with 3 meals a day. By the time the puppies are 6 months old, 2 meals each day should be sufficient. Choose a high-quality puppy food and check with your veterinarian if you're not sure how much or how often your puppy should be eating. These dogs are relatively easy to groom and maintain. Their coats do not require any trimming, aside from the feed. They will need to be brushed every few days using a pin brush. However, during their shedding seasons, they will require daily brushing to keep the shedding at bay. They can be heavy shedders during these seasons, and this is especially true for females who have not been spayed. The dog's teeth should be brushed a few times a week to prevent tartar from building up or turning into dental disease. They should also have their nails trimmed to keep them from causing the dog pain as they walk. This breed can be very strong-willed and independent, which can make them more of a challenge to train. They are also intelligent, which leads them to get bored more easily. To train a Finnish Spitz, you'll want to use positive training methods, keep each session short, and engage your dog in different exercises and activities to keep the training interesting for them. These dogs have a relatively high need for exercise. They should be given opportunities each day to go for a long walk with their owner, to play a game of fetch, or to run around in a fenced-in yard. If you're getting ready to purchase a Finnish Spitz from a breeder or bring one home from an animal shelter, make sure your home is set up and ready for a dog. Purchase a dog bed, toys, leash, collar, food, crate, treats, and other supplies you'll need for your pup. You'll also want to find a veterinarian you can trust with caring for your dog. Remove any potentially hazardous materials from the areas in your home your dog will be able to access. You'll also want to remove any personal items that you wouldn't want to see destroyed by a new puppy. Once you bring your dog home, start training and socializing them right away. This breed can be very stubborn, so training for a very young age is highly recommended.